It's Randy Babel from All Sports Scoreboards. This is one of our VMS scoreboards, which is a more popular version of scoreboard now with the new modern technology, because it allows for a fully integrated scoring program that can be set up for any type of sport. This scoreboard here right now is set up for Australian rules. It can also be set up for football, for baseball, indoor basketball, however you want to actually have it set up. This is a grayscale type of a scoreboard, it's called, because on top of the actual scoring component, there's also a media element as well that allows you to play the full video. The colors of this type of scoreboard right now, this is a red LED. There's 2 LEDs per pixel. You can have up to 4 LEDs per pixel, and you can also have a full color matrix when you like watching a TV set when it goes to full color mode, when you see that in a minute. This scoreboard here is fully modular, so it can be any type of size that you want. This is a smaller module, a smaller scoreboard component right now. It's made up of 8 individual modules, and this is a good size for a lot of club level football, a lot of high schools and whatnot, because it's not oversized, it's not overpriced. But it can be modular stacked side by side and on top of each other, and it can be as big as a giant stadium screen. Entirely up to you, and of course it's based on cost. This one's very interesting. The program can be set up however you want it. Right now, this one shows you scores, which can be automatically accumulated. So if you were to score 1 goal, it would actually show in the points that you've accumulated the total number of points. So when 1 goal is entered, by just simply pressing the 1 goal, it will actually show it as it shows right there. So scores are automatically set up to accumulate that. The clock program, the clock can actually show. There's different types of clock functions you can have, and you can also have it displayed, or you can have it very simply removed by just clicking a button on the program. And when you click the button on the program, you actually can have your team names come up. Okay, so very simple. The media element that I was showing you is once again a very simple thing on your program to show displays and whatnot, advertising information. You can have text, and you can have different kinds of graphics that will actually come in and out. Very simply, you can go from this into full color, into a grayscale video for this type of element. Remember, this is a grayscale unit, but it can also be full color as well. And of course, your price is actually going to be dependent upon that. Pretty simply, going back to the scores though, as you can see, anything can be set up. It's a fully versatile thing for sponsorships, to get revenue back to your club or for your school. This is the kind of scoreboard you really want to take and go with. There's all manners of ways to actually show sponsorship and text information, from just general scrolling text and from also all the media elements as well with all the video and whatnot. You can go live video if you want with a full color screen and get in a video processor, and then you can actually show game images as well. Entirely up to you. Once again, we're All Sports Scoreboards. We have offices in Australia and the United States. We can basically service any type of scoreboard that you want. We do custom make scoreboards to suit your application.